Anybody got a prescription, yeah, for this love pain? Anybody got a pill I could pop for this love pain? Anybody got a...
Hello everyone, it's Keisha from Drink Coffee Mixed Stuff. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to be planning in my classic size happy planner. And I'm going to be planning for the week of March 21st through the 27th. So I'll go ahead and take those pages off the disc. Now for this week, I have pulled the Sage sticker book. This is one of the new releases from the Happy Planner Spring release. So I'm going to be using this, and I'll probably pull my colorful boxes just in case. And so, yeah, let's get this started. I'll go ahead and speed the video up, and when I finish, I'll be back. All right, everyone, that's it. I'm going to stop right here. Let me put these back on the disc. So, see how this looks. Where's it go? Right here. Okay. So I kind of went kind of crazy with the stickers, but I had a hard time trying to create some balance with this spread. I guess because this sticker book has different size stickers. Like I believe this one fits the dashboard, and then you have, of course, you have the ones that are sized for the monthly. Let's see. They're in here somewhere. Where is it? They're in here. Okay, right here. Like these. These are sized for the monthly calendars. So I think that's where I kind of had some trouble at the beginning, because the first sticker I pulled, which was this one, is actually sized for a dashboard layout, I think. So, which I could have used it anyway, but I didn't like the gap that was left in the boxes. So, all right. So with that, I'm going to pull my BB pins, and I have this one in mind. This is the Jane BB pin, and I think it is named, it was designed by one of the Villa Beautiful Facebook community members, and this has little green leaf sequins in it. It was named for Jane Goodall. So that's it for the Empowered Woman series. So, yep. So that's it. All right, guys. So if you like this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. And if you want to see more videos, make sure you hit the subscribe button. And until next time, happy planning.